Ultra-Small X-ray Inspection System XIS-100. This inspection equipment is the ultra-small X-ray inspection system that can replace metal detectors. It is a compact size that can be applied to narrow spaces and is optimized for foreign object inspection of small packaging products with a top-down single X-ray beam. It performs inspection for high-speed lines of a lot of products and various types of foreign substances. In addition, the results are displayed on the monitor screen in real time, including the empty package check and weight measurement. It also consists of a program UI optimized for easy operation and inspection of foreign substances and includes data communication features suitable for implementing HACCP management response system and the smart factory. It has all the line installation references for global beverage brands worldwide. Created by Nongshim Engineering's latest inspection technology and special software applications, this equipment will give you the best results in your product quality management.